Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted a clean, organized space in Notion that actually works for you, something that brings together your tasks, notes, and inspiration, all in one place, then you're in the right video. Today, I'll walk you through how to set up a Notion dashboard from start to finish using a free professional-looking template. By the end, you'll have a personalized dashboard that not only looks sleek but also makes your productivity so much easier. Let's jump right in. First up, we're going to be using Notion's free dashboard template for this demo. Why start with a template? Well, imagine trying to build a house from scratch versus moving into one that's already beautifully designed. Starting with a template just saves you time and gives your workspace a polished, professional edge right out of the gate. And the best part? You can always tweak it later until it feels just right for you. Okay, so let's get into the nuts and bolts. Head over to the top left corner of your Notion workspace, where you'll see a little drop-down menu. Click on that to reveal more options. Don't worry if you haven't clicked around here before, it's totally safe, and it basically opens up all of Notion's magic tricks. Now find and select the Browse Templates option. Think of this like a store where all of Notion's ready-made designs live. In the search bar, type Dashboard. Give it a few seconds to pull up the options. You'll see lots of different dashboard templates, each with its own look and purpose. Take a moment and scroll through them. There's no wrong choice here. Just pick one that catches your eye or has the layout that matches what you need. Maybe you want something that feels minimal and calming, or maybe you prefer a bold layout with lots of widgets. Either way, make your selection. Once you've found the dashboard you want, click into it and hit that Add button. This will drop the new template directly into your workspace, and you'll see it pop up instantly. It might take a second to load, so don't worry if there's a slight pause. Now, here's where you get to make it your own. Start by adding your credentials or personal info. For example, if this is for work, maybe put your job title, daily focus, or a motivating quote right up top. If it's for school, maybe you want your class schedule or key deadlines front and center. This is the moment to make your dashboard uniquely yours. Swap out any images for ones that inspire you. Update task lists with your real tasks, or even add little sections for creative ideas or quick notes. If you want to go deeper, customize colors, reorder sections, or change icons. This might feel a bit fiddly at first, but go slow and try different changes. Notion is really flexible, and you can always undo something if it doesn't look right. The goal here is that, by the time you're done, your dashboard doesn't just look great. It feels like a home base for your thoughts and your priorities. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've set up a powerful, professional-looking Notion dashboard that you can grow and adapt as your needs change. If this video helped you build your own dashboard, give it a thumbs up. If you hit any bumps or have questions, just drop a comment below. I love hearing your feedback and helping you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new dashboard.